Hello guys, this is Sahil. Welcome to Cloud Doctor. In the previous video, we have created the login and sign up form, and in this video, we will create the password visibility functionality. So let's start with the video. So let me open VS Code first of all, and here we have to add password visibility functionality. So let me open the project. Yeah, this one, and here we have to add password visibility functionality. So let us first include the icon. So let me open font awesome icons, and here again I will search for I, and this time we'll use this one. Okay, so let me copy it from here, and what we will do, we'll just paste it in the password field. Okay, just after this span, we'll just paste it here. Done. And we'll change the class to class name, and again I will just copy this and we'll paste it here after this. So let me check whether it is visible or what. Yeah, so now as we can see, this is visible. Okay, so now what we have to do, we will create two more constants here. Const, it will be p icon, then set p icon equals to use state false. Here also const c icon, then set c icon, use state false. And here what we will do, we'll just do the same as we did previously. We'll just check if p icon, then show this, else show this one. Okay, so we forgot to close the tag here, and here we will just copy this and we'll paste it here. Just remove this and let me check. So this is visible. So if not p icon, then this. Yeah, this is working fine. And we have to do the same here as well. So let me do that. Not c icon, then this one, else this one. Yeah, done. Okay, so we need to include this also in our CSS file. So let me do that. Dot also, and here also comma dot this colon hover. Now it's done. So now what we have to do, we will create IDs. So in the login file, in this input field, we'll create ID C password. Yeah, and in this one also we'll create a ID called password field. Repeat. So now what we will do, we'll add on-click listeners here. So in this icon we'll do that on click show password, and I will just copy this. Okay, I'll just cut this and I'll paste it here. This is the password field, and here also I will include the same. And here what we will do, here we will include show confirm password or C password. Same here, show C password. So we have to create those functions. Let us do that. Const show password, then again const show C password. Done. So there will be no any kind of error. So now what we have to do, we have to get the IDs. So where x equals to document dot get element by ID, and the ID of the first one is, what is the ID? The ID is password field. Yeah, get element by ID password field, and I will just copy this one time and we'll just paste it here, and the ID is C password, I think so. Let me check. Yeah, it is C password. So let me paste it here. So now what we will do, if x dot type equals to password, then x dot type equals to text. Okay, else x dot type equals to password. X dot type equals to password. So I'll just copy this and I will paste it here. So now let me check this functionality one time. So let me write something here. I will click on this. Yeah, this is working fine, only the icon is not changing. So let me add the functionality to change the icon as well. Okay, so here set p icon to true, and here set p icon to false. We'll do the same here. Set c icon to true, and here set c icon to. Okay, so now let us check both of the functionalities. So we'll click on new user sign up first of all. We'll add something here and something here as well. So we'll click on this. So as we can see, icon is also changing and we can see the password as well. And here also the functionality is working very fine. So one more thing before closing the video, we'll include the user icon here. So we'll search for user. Yeah, this one. Just copy this and here we will paste it. Yeah, we'll just remove this and we'll paste it here. The class name. Let me check. Okay, so for the color, what we did, custom icon. Custom icon. Yeah, our login and sign up form is now ready. So that's all for this video. I request you to please like the video, share the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be adding videos frequently to complete this series. Thank you.